Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to link slides and embed videos in Google Slides. Yeah, everything you need to know for 2026. It's super simple once you get the hang of it. So let's dive in. First, create a new slide or open an existing presentation. You can add text, images, or whatever you need. Just make sure your slides are ready for linking. Now, to link slides, select the text or object you want to act as a link, then click Insert in the top menu and choose Link. In the link box, select Slides in this presentation. And pick the slide you want to jump to. To embed a video, click Insert again, then choose Video. You can search YouTube right from here, paste a link, or select a video from your drive. Once inserted, you can resize it or move it anywhere on your slide. Finally, always test your links and video playback. Click Present in the top right corner and try the links and videos to make sure everything works smoothly. Yeah, this step is key, just to double check. And that's basically it. Linking slides and embedding videos in Google Slides is really straightforward once you know where to click. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more quick Google Slides tips.